Ladies and gentlemen, Spanish in Pena brings you the volcano episode.
Ooh, pouring some vinegar. Okay. That was that, and then carefully open the bag.
She reads directions. She is amazing with IKEA furniture.
Okay, it says I have to pour this in and then close the cap really quick. So I think this is when it's gonna explode. You ready?
What takes people 3 hours.
Wait. That was so fast.
I don't think it's happened before.
Stop, this is for the kids. How am I supposed to put the lid on? So the first, number one says you should do this outside. And I didn't think...
¿Y qué dije yo?
I thought this tray would be good, so definitely go outside. We'll do a part two. We'll do a part two soon. But we're gonna keep this kit. This is successful. That was fun. Thank you. Wash your hands 20 seconds.